Good morning, traders. Alla Peters. On Thursday, July 21st, in front of you, Alpha Fibonacci software projected on 1-minute chart. This is simplicity, this is purity. Precise entry, stop and target. As we discussed with students, there is only one option when software giving you bold red line. The only one option to short the market. If you have a buy bold red line, your success rate less than 20%. The only option to short, especially when institutions shorting the markets this morning. This is purity, this is simplicity. Projected on 1-minute chart. I can convert software to any chart. Multiple trades played out. What is the difference between shorting here versus shorting here? This is conservative. This is not. This is extremely aggressive. Intelligent trader knows the difference. But what is the price showing you now? What is the important part? This is reversal zone. You're looking at the price pulling back up. Does it mean sell-off is done? Highly possible. Why? We are very close to the bold green line. You don't have to wait for days, weeks, and months to see the power of the system. You see it instantly in front of you in the trading room. Can you do this? Can you apply sniper's mentality and obey the rules? And exit your short when price comes to this level? That's it. This is software for Ninja Trader 8. This is simplicity. This is purity. All you have to do, choose your best trade. And that spectacular breathtaking reversal that reminds you again and again and again. You must obey the rules. You cannot speculate. You cannot gamble with your money. If you have a short near reversal zone, nothing good is possible. Target RZ means reversal zone. That's it. And as we discussed with my brilliant traders, this is your trading range this morning. This is it. This is how pure market is on every instrument. But not everyone meant to be day trader. Not everyone capable to apply sniper's mentality, sniper's execution, sniper's power, sniper's discipline. That's what day trading requires. That's it. This is where price is this morning. We are at reversal zone. Market is stuck in massive chop. To the downside, this is critical level. And if price is not crashing to this level, this is your trading range. As intelligent trader knows, this is your day trading chart. So if you're trading 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute, any chart you choose to trade, this is a market. And you know this well before market open. All depends on chart you trade. That's it. And when the scanner giving you green alert, you understand extremely well. Yesterday, we had drastically more conservative trades to the upside than this morning. This morning market extremely high. Here is why. Institutional chart at reversal zone. Nothing conservative about buying market here. Everything conservative about buying market here. So here's the market this week. Let's go back to July 19th. You knew that buying market here is a brilliant thing to do. You knew not to short near. That's it. We're no longer here, as we will discuss in the live class after the close of the trading room. This was the importance of obeying the rules. We're no longer at 3850. We are at 3950 level. Can you do that? Can you? Can you? Do you understand the difference? Doesn't matter what chart you trade. Intelligent trader knew many days in advance. Institutions buying the market. Intelligent trader knows many days in advance. This is where price is heading to next. But again and again and again, this is very aggressive long. Price very high. But there is no other option. This is the only option. Because when price reaches reversal zone, you do not short near. When price reaches bold red line, you understand to expect reversal. This is drastically more conservative short. An exact same way price reversed from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone is exact same way price reversed on oil. But my goodness, how is it possible? Yesterday morning, such powerful bullish news, but oil collapsed 600 points. All the details in the live class. Do you see how oil reversed in the last 4 hours? With the power of the system, you know this. Hours, days, weeks, months and years in advance. All depends on chart you trade. So our S&P stuck in pain because market extremely high. Here's oil before oil news. Here's oil on Tuesday, July 19th. Intelligent trader understands buying oil at 1:01 is not an intelligent move. Bullish move, not an option. Here is a reminder of the danger of the news. Here's oil, ladies and gentlemen, 7:30 my time. Bullish news 0.4. Numbers are green. Oops, not so fast. It is not a brilliant option to buy this level. Brilliant option to monitor for short. And when oil collapsing 400 points, this is stunning reminder. Stop listening to hype. Respect news due to volatility only. And focus on pure price. This is key level on oil now. This is your key day trading chart. And again, it doesn't matter if you trade 5, 10, 15, any chart. You knew this days in advance. You knew not to buy oil at the brick wall. You knew to monitor for short. You knew that buying oil here is a brilliant move. If trading on the news worked, everybody would be buying Amazon at reversal zone. How is it possible? Amazon collapsed from 3800 level. Black and white, it's identical thing. November 2021, you exiting all of your longs on Amazon. Rules are met, you take short. You're not buying reversal zone. If you ever buy reversal zone, your success rate much less than 20%. No bearish news on Amazon. News is bullish. Amazon in free fall. It's a reversal zone. Respect news due to volatility. And remember forever, if trading on the news worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. And that's the danger of the news. News is a soap opera. News to be obeyed due to volatility. The only thing that matters in the markets is price. And with Alpha Fibonacci retracements, it becomes Fibonacci symphony. That's it. Tesla. Tesla news yesterday morning. Everyone knew not to short Tesla near this level. Single glimpse, as I will be teaching in this class. This will be war zone on Tesla. This level, 846. The only option in the last 2 months to buy Tesla from this level. Again, if I take you to Tesla, when Tesla has spectacular earnings, how is it possible that Tesla in free fall, it reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone? You decide if you want to trade Tesla or Apple or Amazon or pound or yen or anything. Pure price is exactly the same on every instrument. Identical place where Tesla skyrocketed from in 2021 is a place to buy from. It remains firm. You knew it before Tesla earnings yesterday morning. That's it. You are not crying yourself to sleep. Listen to Richard's podcasts, please, as Richard loves trading options on Tesla. That's it. Richard is not interested in anything else. This is plenty to produce spectacular performance. I will show you on the website next. That's it. Black and white. Here is the important moment. Here's a Bitcoin. Reading more and more and more on the news about those who created Bitcoin hype, those who told everyone only fools are not buying Bitcoin. My heart goes out to those who are still holding Bitcoin till 100, maybe in the next life. Not anytime soon, not in this one. No one in their clear mind who is trading Alpha Fibonacci system buy Bitcoin at 70,000. Those who creating hype, screaming and yelling, Bitcoin is not regulated. Bitcoin is a beautiful thing because it is not regulated. Oops. Those exact same billionaires who are crying right now, begging the government to regulate Bitcoin. Bitcoin collapsed 70%. Oops. My goodness. This is key level on Bitcoin. This is critical part. Bitcoin whale who lost billions and billions of dollars, who was on all different podcasts, 10, 15, 20, 100 times a week telling everyone to buy Bitcoin, now begging you as government to regulate Bitcoin. Oops. Don't be a fool. Stop subjecting yourself to hype, please. Trade by the rules you learn in the live Alpha Fibonacci class. View videos 24/7. Because if traders all over the world can do this, so can you. It is black and white. Emergency room doctor Steve knew very, very well where to exit Bitcoin. I met with Steve in California. I met with Ken in London. And as our global community keeps expanding and growing, I look forward meeting Theo and Steven next year in Australia. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. It's absolutely up to you. So this is very, very common sense statement. Thousands and thousands of posts and emails later. I really appreciate you, your system making me rich. That's it. All you have to do, make an effort and obey the rules. Richard trading completely different instrument than Theo. Listen to Richard's podcasts, please. It's black and white. You decide what you want to trade. It's black and white. So this is very important moment, because if you are a very brilliant and intelligent human being and you see a very dangerous hype and noise created by those who own news channels, oops, he can afford to say he was wrong on crypto leverage risks. $1 million or 2 or 10, not a big deal. Begging government to regulate Bitcoin. Oops, look at that. Is it possible? The guy who provided security for Bitcoin was hacking it all for years and years and years. As of last week, they discovered the hack is not 4.5 billion, but 8.5. Oops. He lived on Wall Street, right next to exchange. So if you own Bitcoin, my heart goes out to you. It can easily be hacked, not complicated. As proven by hackers all over the world, nothing is secure if someone else providing security for you. And that's the danger of hype and noise. Here's more. So here's another one. One of the top Wall Street managers buying Netflix at reversal zone. Oh my goodness. Aikman taking a hit of 400 million. He placed a trade on 1.1 billion. Look at Netflix and where it collapsed from, as we will discuss in live class next. Not so fast. This is a place to buy Netflix from. This is not. This is where Aikman was buying Netflix. We were laughing in classes. Intelligent trader was shorting Netflix, not buying Netflix. This is a place to buy, but your trading range very limited. All the details in live class. But again and again and again, if I take you back to the months of November, all the trades of top traders on the planet available to general public were laughing in classes, as my students are so much smarter than Aikman. This is a place to short Netflix, not to buy. So if you cannot afford to lose $1 billion or 2 or 10 or 400 million, I look forward working with you. In today's class, we have students on 4 continents, students who understand the power of pure price and simplicity of the system. Simply obey the rules. And if day trading not for you, your system on all platforms, all instruments, with Alpha Fibonacci rules. This is software for NinjaTrader 8. This is stunning flawless reversal. Trading range remains exactly the same. Nothing has changed. This is day trading software. This is long-term position trading that traders do on a signal, on TradeStation, on MT4, MT5, Sierra charts, any platform you can possibly imagine. If it has Alpha Fibonacci retracement tool, you insert the settings and make an effort. All the details in today's class. Software for NinjaTrader 8 came out in 2019. No software required. Even traders who own software prefer to trade without. Because as you listen to podcasts, that CEO says, simplicity and purity is the power. You decide what chart you want to trade. Choice is yours. And at the end of the day, this is what matters. Every trade relies singularly on what you have taught me. Listen to Brad's podcast and how he was making $10 an hour before he joined Fibonacci Trading Institute. Because when you remove delayed indicators that look good after the fact, you see instantly nothing else in the markets will tell you in advance where price would reverse from. Here is another critical key part. And the most important part that I'm very, very proud of. Here is one more example, which playing out right now. So please pay attention. Again, I will never tell you 100% because I'm no god, but with the highest probability, S&P heading to 4050. Why is 4050 so important? Take a look at this level. This is a chart where multi-million-dollar positions are held. Because when I work with hedge fund traders, hedge fund managers, they do not trade little junky charts at moving millions and billions of dollars. Here's why 4050 is so important next. My goodness. Let's click on that week. Last week in February. Do you remember that day? I wake up in shock. My hometown in Ukraine, airport is bombed. My childhood friends texting me, calling me. A friend of mine got married in Kiev day before the war. How is it possible market skyrocketing 350 points? Is this surreal? Of course not. This is institutional buy zone. You are never shorting near. You are shorting reversal zone. Black and white. And again, if I take you further, January 2022, this is where market collapsed from. Let's go back to December, November. This was move up. All the details in the next live class. Are you clear? You know many months in advance to expect sell-off from here. You know many months in advance when price moving lower to expect buyers at 40.50. It will be tested next. So when price keeps skyrocketing from institutional support for 5 weeks, when the world is in shock, you also know months in advance, this is next institutional buy point. Can you do that? If day trading not for you, if you cannot apply sniper's mentality with the power of Alpha Fibonacci software, apply the system long term. And remember, war or not, institutions buying the market. So when you know institutional buy point, if you know institutional sell point, no matter how small or large your account is, you start enjoying trading all markets as strategic, intelligent, predictive, precise Alpha Fibonacci chess. And that's 4050 next. It will be a war zone, this level. All the details in the live class. Has anyone seen good news in the markets? Tell me, how is it possible that markets skyrocketed 150 points plus? Of course, market oversold. This is what price does. Close to reversal zone. You are not shorting near this level. You are looking to buy. This was ultimate bullish point of entry. But again, it plays out in front of you on day trading chart. And that's the reason why my students are dearest friends for life. System applies to all instruments, all time frames with charts. You can choose to use system with a software for day trading or no software for all platforms. So here's a legend sharing number of points every day on S&P mini future. Student shares $97,000 account. But this is the latest statement Brett sent me on Monday. Let me see if I have the start of the month of April. This is by the end of April. This is now. Genius. Phenomenal effort. But every single trader trades different instrument. Not everyone meant to be a day trader. You decide, choice is yours. It all starts with simplicity. This is what matters the most. So if you understand the power of pure price, and you understand the danger of the news and delayed indicators that look good after the fact, indicators are security blanket. There is no indicator on the planet that will tell you where market would crash from. Alpha Fibonacci does. Hours, days, weeks, months and years in advance, all depends on chart you trade. And again and again and again. This is one of my favorite events. When hedge fund manager in London bringing his son Dominic to the course, Dominic laughing. Trading is easy. 2 weeks in the course. His father has no interest in day trading. His father managing multi-million-dollar accounts with Alpha Fibonacci long term. Thousands and thousands and thousands of emails later from all over the world. So if you understand the power of this, you're joining us now, because markets will become drastically more challenging this fall. You are very well prepared. You understand that if trading on the news worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. If trading with indicators worked, every person on the planet will be Jeff Bezos. It does not. What works is pure price, as proven by traders all over the world. With Alpha Fibonacci retracement tool, with Alpha Fibonacci rules, you can trade on all platforms, or with software for NinjaTrader 8 as day trader. That's it. So if you cannot afford to lose a billion or two or 400 million, if you want to trade better than top hedge fund traders on the planet, I look forward to working with you. You can always request invitation to the trading room, and please review everything on the homepage. You will find all the answers. System applies to all platforms, all instruments. This is institutional lifetime system. I teach you identical rules as I coach JP Morgan traders. And those who I coach at JP Morgan left JP Morgan and started their own hedge funds. That's the power of the system. I work with hedge fund manager in Palm Beach who's trading $500 million portfolio. I work with hedge fund manager in Switzerland, but I work with retiree in Florida, New Jersey, New York. I work with hedge fund manager who's in class right now in Alabama for the last 8 years. Choice is yours. Listen to podcasts, view students' performance. It never, ever, ever gets old. Again, I cannot upload tens of thousands of emails I receive, but instantly you see. You can trade Bitcoin and crypto. You can trade options on Tesla. You can trade S&P mini future. And as a complete beginner trader, Pablo done exact same thing as Dominic, started trading live after 2 weeks. He doubled his wife's retirement account. That's it. It's all on the website. So when you do review and understand no one else in this business has this, I cannot be more proud of what I developed. I live and breathe what I do. I developed 32 systems. I teach you the core of the markets. My first degree as a teacher. I'm teacher at heart. I'm very passionate about what I developed and what I do. And if you are in Dubai or London or South Africa or Australia, of course, I'm coming to meet you. Second package, the most popular package. Click on details and review. This is group course, lifetime software for Ninja 8 platform, and lifetime system for all instruments and all platforms. Course duration is 3 months. When course is finished, you have an option to join graduate program. You can continue with course forever and ever and ever. But if you prefer private mentoring, it includes all group classes, video library, and modules. We have students in Australia, students in South Africa right now who are viewing videos 24/7. We have students who are working full-time. Hundreds and hundreds of videos from prior live recorded classes. You can view and enjoy. And again, when husband bringing his wife to the course, it's an honor. And the reason I love what I do. Listen to Ken's podcast and view movie he made about his life. And when I did meet him in London last month, this is a card Ken's daughter made for me. That's what it's all about. All I'm asking you, make an effort. So what I will be teaching next will change your life forever. There is no wrong time to sign up. You can sign up at any time. You can start with videos at any moment. Live classes Monday and Thursday. This morning, after the close of the trading room, I will be teaching historical class because these historical reversals are key to what will play out next. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much.